hope so. I've always dreamed about flying, that I was a bird and that I could go sailing all over the sky, high above everything. It's my favorite dream. Oh, but then I suppose everybody dreams about flying. I'm a bird, I'm a bird, I'm a bird.
Hold it, boy. Not so fast, not so fast. First, I'd better explain the mechanics of a bird's wing. Now, these large feathers are called the primaries, and
since when do you know all about birds' wings?
I have made an extensive study of birds in flight, and
if you don't mind, I happen to be a bird.
All right, Mr. Know-It-All. He's your pupil.
Ouch!
Now, boy, flying is not merely some crude mechanical process. It is a delicate art, purely aesthetic, poetry of motion. And the best way to learn it is to do it. Now, since we're pretty far up, we'll start with a glide. Spread your wings, way out, way out. That's it, that's it. Now fan your tail. Tippity-toe, and off we go. Now, tuck your feet under, like me. That's it, that's the idea. Whoa, what? Oh! And don't fight the air currents, use them. Say, boy, that's pretty good. What, boy, you're a natural. Oh, are you sure this is the first time that you... Wart, hawk! Look out, boy! Heads up! Forward!
Archimedes, help!
Whoa, what? Oh!
Sounds like someone's sick. How lovely. I do hope it's serious. Something dreadful. Oh, bat gizzards. It's nothing but a scrawny little sparrow with a beak full of soot.
Oh, I'm not really a sparrow. I'm a boy.
A boy?
Merlin changed me with his magic. He's the world's most powerful wizard.
Merlin? Ho-ho! Merlin, the world's most powerful bungler. Why, boy, I've got more magic in one little finger. Now, don't tell me you've never heard of the marvelous Madam Mim.
Well, no, I don't guess so.
Madam Mim? Oh, good heavens, good heavens, good
Why,
heavens.
boy, I'm the greatest. I'm truly marvelous. With only a touch, I have the power. Zim, zap, rim, bim, do wither a flower. I find delight in the gruesome and grim.
Oh, that's terrible.
Thank you, my boy, but that's nothing for me. No, because I'm the magnificent, marvelous Madam Mim. You know what? I can even change size. I can be huge. Oh, fill the whole house. I can be teeny, small as a mouse. Black sorcery is my dish of tea. It comes easy to me, because I'm the magnificent, marvelous Madam Mim. Marvelous boy! Marvelous! I'm marvelous! Say, lad, did you know that I can make myself uglier yet?
Well, that would be some trick.
Want to bet? Boo! Oh, you see? I win! Aren't I hideous, boy? Perfectly revolting?
Well, yes, ma'am.
But you ain't seen nothing yet. Watch this. I can be beautiful, lovely and fair. Silvery voice la 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 la. But it's only skin deep for Zim Zabberim Zim! I'm an ugly old creep! The magnificent, marvelous, mad, 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 Madam Mim! Now, what do you think, boy? Who's the greatest?
Well, Merlin's magic is always, well, useful for something good.
And he must see something good in you.
Oh, I suppose so.
Yes, and in my book, that's bad. So, my boy, I'm afraid I'll have to destroy you.
Destroy me?
Yeah, I'll give you a sporting chance. I'm mad about games, you know. Yeah. Well, come on, get going, boy. You gotta keep on your toes in this game. I win. Oh, the game's over. Oh. Why, you little devil, you! I'll wring your scrawny little neck!
Mim! What are you up to?
Oh, Merlin. Well, you're just in time. We were playing a little game.
She was going to destroy me.
And just what are you going to do about it? Want to fight? Want to have a wizard's duel?
As you wish, madam.
Well, come on. Step outside.
After you, madam.